Hello all, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time I have not posted any video, so I have finally decided to start making videos. So today I'm going to make a small white cement planter using this silicone mold. I will leave the link below in the description box. If you're interested, you can check it out. It comes with this wooden frames to keep it in a place because it's a little wobbly. Let's put this frame on. I have taken half a cup of white cement and 1/3 cup of water in this measurement cup. Let's mix it until it turns into a paste-like consistency. It's little thin, so I'm going to add a little more white cement. It is little thicker now. I'm going to add a little more water. This is the consistency I was looking for. Now I'm going to make a terrazzo pattern in this. So I have already collected some painted white cement chips. I will just add how much ever I want in this paste. You can choose whatever color you want. I'm going to add some yellow and some orange. Give it a good mix. Let's pour now. Let's give it a good tap so that all the air bubbles should come into the surface. Let's keep it aside to dry. It dries within 6 to 12 hours. Then you can demold it and keep drying it for 24 hours for complete hardness. Let's come back later and demold it. It's been 8 hours now. Let's demold this. I will leave it like this to completely dry for another 5 to 6 hours. After that, I will sand it. It's been 24 hours now. It dried completely. Now let's sand it and bring out that terrazzo effect. Normally I would do it in washroom sink, but for the video purpose I'm using this small tub. Keep sanding until you're satisfied with the effect. I'll be back after finishing the sanding. It's been half an hour of sanding. This is the result after half an hour of sanding. Now its edges are not completely straight. We can correct it using a flat sandpaper on the surface and sanding it straight like this. If you want more dark effect, you can keep sanding it. The terrazzo effect will come out more if you keep sanding it. This is after next day. It's completely dry now. Now we can seal this with the Mod Podge sealer. I have taken a little water in this plate. I'm diluting Mod Podge with the little water. Using this sponge, I'm applying on the planter. Leave it to dry and after that apply a second coat. Planter is ready. If you like this video and if you found this video informative, please share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.